Acquire with JungleScout $30 day today. What is Wilderness Scout? This is a device that is extremely well known among venturesome individuals who choose to bring in cash utilizing the Amazon Commercial Center. This product sells itself. Our undertaking is just to accurately introduce it, and afterward we will have clients who will be fulfilled, in light of the fact that they will have a really unmistakable outcome. Envision you were selling at 100 to 150 units of products, and presently you begin selling at 200 to 250, and you lack opportunity and energy to transport, and you likewise expanded the edge and made extra deals, expanding the complete income and turnover, individually. This product can simply assist with this. We go down to the actual lower part of the site and track down in the right segment organization the subsidiary program we want. We click and go to the page from which you can associate with the program and gain admittance to your own record. There is likewise a reward of $150 for another client got and an enormous commission from his deals for the primary month of work. Traffic sources. There is a precarious way through the dispersion of remarks about books connected with Amazon deals in gatherings and visits likewise connected with Amazon. You can concoct a little legend that such and such a book assisted you with expanding deals and benefits by 300%. Books can be acquired for nothing, for instance from the Freeport download site. Downloaded and altered adding one sentence about JungleScout and added a hyperlink, it works 80% of all downloads. Other traffic sources. Send off the distribution of pictures about Amazon on Pinterest, for instance, making them in a similar Canva free of charge. Use video content in Reels, TikTok and Shorts to send traffic to your Wire account with a book or post about JungleScout. Purchase promotions on AdClerks. Visit with the local area on their Facebook gatherings and send private messages assuming individuals show interest. Use destinations where individuals continually ask each other something. So there are themes about Amazon, sure. If you have a specific channel or content you'd like me to like and subscribe to, please provide the details, and I'll be happy to assist.